Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make simple printable worksheet at home on Microsoft Word for your kids. So with simple steps we can make different worksheets for our kids. So let's start. First open Microsoft Word document. Then for example, if we want standing line worksheet, then let's click on Insert, click on Shapes, select the line. After selecting the line, from top, drag it down on the worksheet. You can adjust the lines accordingly. Now let's go to Shape Format. Under Shape Format, we have Shape Outline. So we can take whatever color we want. Now here I made it black. Then let's increase the size of the line by selecting weight option, and it's under shape outline. Now after this, if you want a traceable line for your child, then let's go to shape format. Under shape format we have shape outline. Then go to dashes. Select the one which you want. After this we can put dot also, so it is easy for the child to understand the start and the stop point. So again let's go to Insert, then Shapes, select circle. Now drag it. You can decrease the size and change the color with the help of shape format. And again it's under shape of format we have shape outline. So you can do the shape fill, then shape outline, so like this. Now same thing you can copy paste down also. So like this we can do it. Now I just did the copy paste of the line. So now 3 lines are here. Now if you want to make it more interesting for your child, you can add some pictures also. I'm showing you from shapes. We can go to Insert, Shapes, then select whatever shape you want. So whatever shape you're taking top, you can take it down also. Same copy paste. So like this we can make it little more interesting for the child. Same way we can do it for sleeping line also. Open the Word document, go to Insert, then Shapes, and then by selecting Shape Format, we can change the color of the shape. We can increase the size by selecting weight option. We can give dashes by selecting dash option. Then we can take different shapes, so your worksheet will look nice. Same way you can do it for other patterns also. So suppose slanting line we have learned, then go to Insert, go to Shapes, then we can select the lines. So suppose I'm taking left to right. Now you can change the shape outline, then shape weight, and then we can change the shapes or dashes we can select. And then suppose now we want to do it right to left. So what you're going to do is select the shape, then go to shape format, and then go to rotate, and then just flip horizontal. So whichever side you want, you can take it. So same thing you can copy paste and can give this worksheet to do it. So like this we can do copy paste and we can cover the whole worksheet for your child. So if you want, you can add the pictures, you can give rain pictures, you can make the slanting line little smaller. Like this we can do it. Now let's take the next step. Then we can take curves now, which we have learned curves. I'll show you how to do the curve also. Let's go to the Insert, Shapes, then select this shape. Okay, then just do it like this. Now from this dot you can make it like a curve. So your curve is ready. So like this we can do it. Again, go to shape outline, then change the color, weight and dashes. Now whichever curve you want right curve, you want left curve, then you want up curve, you want down curve, all this you can do it by going to the shape format. Under shape format you can go to rotate. Now here see, flip horizontal, you can take flip vertical, you can rotate 90 degree, rotate 90 degree right. So whatever you want, up, down, left, right, you can do it like this. So you can take other pictures also here. Or you want only traceable worksheet, you can add more lines here. So your worksheet is ready. So like this we can do it. Now let's go to O pattern. We can take O also after this. So all the patterns we can do it like this. So O pattern also can go to insert and then shapes, then take a circle and then drag it like this. Now we don't want any color inside, so go to shape format, shape fill, no fill. Now your shape outline, black. Let's increase the weight. So weight is 6. You can take more also if you click on more lines, then dashes like this. So you can give small O pattern to your children. You can decrease the size like this and you can make it. Okay, now copy paste and give as much as you want. Now let's see how to draw red and blue line. So same way, it's very simple. Now you know how to draw shapes. So we will go to insert and then we will select the lines, and then after selecting the line we will give the color. We will change the color. So you'll go to insert, then go to shapes, take the line, draw the line, then same format we will go to shape format, shape outline. Now first increase the weight, then select the line, so top red line, then same thing you can copy paste, so it will be your bottom red line. So like this we can give the top red and blue line also we can make, and we can adjust the line accordingly. Then you will do blue lines in between. So select the red line, copy paste, and then we will change the color. So your red and blue line also ready like this. Now just go to shape format and then you will change the color of the line. So adjust the line accordingly. Wherever you want your red and blue line, you can do that. Go to shape outline, select blue. So we are done with our red and blue line. Now here you can add the patterns. So standing line and all that things you can do it. You can go to shape outline, draw the lines. Now you all know the procedure how to do it. So this way we can do it and we can give it to our children like this. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to do the worksheet in PowerPoint presentation. You can use the PowerPoint presentation also to make the worksheets. And I'm going to show you some examples also, like how to add pictures and how to add instructions and all in the worksheet, that I'm going to show you in my next video. So hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.